Good morning, children, and well done to you for coming and joining in with your maths today. So in maths, we have been learning all about the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we're going to continue learning about the numbers to 5 today, and we're going to be looking at different ways of making 5. Okay, so we'll be working from PowerPoint today. Let's see if I can get it up. Here we go. Okay, so to get us started, we're going to do a quick warm-up activity. I want you to have a look on the screen and tell me how many spots you see all together. That's right, there are 3 spots all together. How many little spots, how many small spots are there? There's 2 little spots and 1 big spot. 2 and 1 more make 3. Fantastic, good work. Now, how many spots do you see all together now? There's more than last time. Have a count. That's right, there's 5 spots all together. How many big spots? There's 3 big spots and 2 small spots, because 3 and 2 make 5. Fantastic. Have a look at the next one then. How many spots can you see all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 spots. How many big spots? 2 big spots and 2 small spots make 4. Well done, fantastic. Right then, what can you see? I can see some hills and a pond and some lily pads. Who do you think may live here? Let's find out. We have some frogs. So can you tell me how many frogs you see in the pond? Okay, you think there's 3. How many frogs can you see on the grass? Count carefully. 1, 2. There's 3 in the pond and 2 on the grass. Well done. How many are there all together? Let's do some careful counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work, children. So we can show this using, can you tell your grown-ups what this is up here? That's right, it's a 5s frame. So how many frogs are in the pond? 3. So we're going to use the red counters to show the 3 in the pond. 1, 2, 3. And how many frogs on the grass? 2. So we're going to use the yellow counters. 1, 2. Okay, and then we can see how many we have all together. There are 5 all together. Well done. 3 and 2 make 5. Good work. There's the number 5. Right, let's find out how many frogs we have this time. Oh, how many frogs in the pond? 1, 2. Well done. And how many frogs on the grass? 1. So how many do you think we'll have all together? So let's get our 5s frame to help us. And we're going to use the red counters. How many in the pond? 1, 2. 2 frogs in the pond. And how many on the grass? We're going to use the yellow for the frog on the grass. 1 more. So how many all together? Let's count on the 5s frame. 1, 2, 3. Well done, there are 3 frogs all together because 2 and 1 make 3. Well done. Can you do that on your fingers as well? Good job, children. Well done. 3 frogs all together. All right, let's have another look then. So how many frogs can you see in the pond? 2. Good counting. And how many on the grass? 1, 2. Fantastic. So to work out how many altogether, we're going to use our 5's frame again. There's 2 and 2. How many altogether? 5's frame. We're going to use the red counters for the frogs in the pond. Can you remind me? How many? 1, 2. And then how many yellow counters will I need for the frogs on the grass? That's right. 1, 2. And to work out how many altogether, we're going to count them all up. Careful counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Good job, children. There are 4 frogs altogether because, do it with me on your fingers, 2 and 2 make 4. 4 altogether. Fantastic. And there's the number 4. Oh, it looks like we've got another one here. How many frogs can you see in the pond? That's right, there are 0. And how many frogs on the grass? 2. So when we get our 5's frame out to work out how many altogether, are we going to have any red counters for the frogs in the pond? No, we're not going to have any red counters because there are 0 frogs in the pond. So how many yellow counters for the frogs on the grass? How many frogs on the grass? 2. Well done. So 0 and 2. How many altogether then? Careful counting. 2. Let's do that on our fingers. We have 0, no frogs in the pond. And how many frogs on the grass? 2. So 0 and 2 make 2 altogether. Only 2. Good work, children. There's the number 2. Fantastic. Right, now to end. Right, stop share. Right, there we go. To end, I want us to have a look at some numbers and do some counting. I'm going to hold a number up and I want you to tell me what number you think it is. Are you ready? What number is this? 3. Fantastic. And this one? 6. This one? 1. 2. Well done. 7. 5. It's pointing down. It's number 9. 0. 8. 6. 4. Well done. And one more. Number 7. Good work, children. I can tell that you've worked so hard today. Give yourselves a big well done. You. Good job, children. Bye for now.